home and we're back. But you know this.
Yeah. Two guys. You know, we're two guys, but so is this aftershave.
What could be more fitting than two guys using two guys?
One cup.
Anyways, folks, today's
That was an extreme
splash
YouTube video.
of the week.
That was. Splash of the week.
Splash of the week. Today's splash of the week is brought to you by two guys. We'll save money for you.
At two guys.
We'll save money for you.
At two guys.
Anyways, for those of you who are like, what the hell's going on here? Two Guys it was not an aftershave brand. It was actually, what do you call them? A department store.
Yeah, like a Macy's or...
Huge on the East Coast. There's many stores open. They began in like 1946. This is just one of the many things they sold. But this is actually a classic aftershave scent. What do you think? Is that classic?
It's like you took Aqua Velva and you changed
Always
a little
Aqua
bit
Velva.
about it, and that's what you get. It's not as punchy. It's a little bit more earthy. I get some like woodsy kind of note on there, maybe a leather note.
It's spicy. It's that, you know, there's like the barbershops like Clubman, and then there's the stuff like Aqua Velva. There's, you know, and you know what I'm talking about. This is more along that Aqua Velva.
That's going
route.
to church on Sunday versus other ones are going out for the night, like on the town.
Okay, yeah, I kind of get what you're saying.
Yeah, it's like it's okay. It's not so in your face.
But if you can find this, folks, again, two guys, it's really rare. This was a department store that's now defunct. It's been closed since like the early 80s.
Because they were saving money for you.
For you. But in fact, you know, funny story about Two Guys is they were originally called Two Guys from Harrison, New Jersey. That's where it began. But before that, they originally were calling themselves Two Bastards from Harrison. But it was too racy for their ads, so they changed it to Two Guys from Harrison.
I just can't imagine telling anyone, like, I gotta run over to Two Bastards from Harrison and pick up some deodorant.
In 1946, too.
Yeah, like, that just doesn't work.
It does work, but it's not right.
Speaking of working, we're gonna get working here and showing you some of the most extreme YouTube videos on wet shaving that we've ever seen out there.
I haven't even seen some of these.
Well, that's the whole point. We haven't seen any of them. Our crew has assembled them based off of popular demand, and we want to watch these and react to them in real time for the first time seeing some of them. I know I've seen a couple, maybe you haven't.
Wait, how can you intentionally react to something? That's kind of fake.
You can just react with intention.
I don't even want to talk about reacting. I want to just react.
Let's go to the clip. So,
wait, before we start this, I want you to know, yes, there is a monitor here that Matt and I are using, but what you see right now is a pig's head.
Okay. So,
we're not staring at a pig's head.
First off, you got a dude. This is my favorite part right here. That's his brush. It's just the knot. It's like a stub of a board brush. And he just boiled water. Maybe that means hot. Heiss. And he's going to town with this board brush and whipping up.
Are there kids watching him?
He's in the kitchen. That's the beautiful thing. That's where shaving used to happen, just in the kitchen.
This isn't that old.
Well, maybe he lives in a small town in Germany with there's no bathroom. There's like a whole family in the background.
Why is he filming himself?
I know. Just commenting.
He's reacting.
I love it though.
I swear we're not looking at a pig's head.
Good. Nice.
Like a 5-inch wide strop. I've never seen a strop that big,
How
ever.
is he stropping? Is he doing it?
And off comes a mustache. Right through it. That's the beauty of a straight razor.
You hear that?
He's going through it what looked like a week or two worth of stubble, just plowing through it. The other hand.
Matt has the decoder ring.
Goes right through. I mean, just imagine taking all
It's gotta
that
be
off.
dull.
No.
Because he's scraping through that.
That's what straight razors sound like,
Oh,
dude.
really, dude? Tell me more. Is he bleeding or is that a mole?
I think he ends up cutting himself 1 or 2 times.
No, but he's just plowing through that, man.
That's why it's extreme.
No, I get that.
I can't shade that fast. It's impressive.
Well,
to
no,
me.
that's what I'm saying. Like, he should be holding back.
And then he's just like, and just whipping it up, just right across his neck.
How old is this? And why is it being filmed?
Yeah, so he cut his chin, you can see there.
Is that it? Just one pass?
No.
He's gonna do multiple passes? Wow. This guy's an animal.
I love the brush. I think it's my favorite part.
He's like Honey Badger.
Against the grain. Across your mustache. I can't pull that move off. Right across the lip. I think that's what's most impressive to me is just, it's like he has zero regard for where his lips are. Like, I'm so careful, I don't want to cut myself. He's just like, oh, let's just go right across the lip. It's fine.
Oh, he's talking about his boo-boo.
I mean, this has been all of 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Not a sponsor.
Yeah. Alcohol splash right after you're done with the straight razor shave.
Wait, he's not German.
I don't think that was finito. Well, you could. I mean, when you say that, you're not Italian if you say finito. You just say finito.
I'm looking at a pig's head.
Okay, thoughts.
I have none. My mind is tabula rasa.
It's okay. It's impressive.
It's definitely impressive and a little disconcerting.
He's shaving in the kitchen and he's just plowing through an amazing straight razor shave with very little disregard.
So I can see why you would call this an extreme video.
That's what yeah.
And you know what? Honestly, if all wet shaving videos were that short, I'd probably watch them all.
I know, right? So we're gonna
something to live up to, folks.
We're gonna go to another one here. Video number 2.
That looks like a commercial to me.
It's a big plane.
Phillips presents extreme shaving cone in there.
He's gonna do what I've always wanted to do. I think he's gonna
Freestyle
shave.
bicycle?
No, shave in zero gravity.
Zero gravity?
So we saw some parachutes.
Oh, but he's gonna.
Here we go.
He's busting moves.
So he's using electric razor and showing you that you can do it anywhere, even in zero gravity, on a bicycle, on a BMX bike at the same time. He also has no regard for his lips. In fact, he's spending most of his time going over his lips.
I don't know how I feel about that. I was that even a blade on there? I mean, like.
Was electric razor has a foil.
Yeah, but was there even a foil on there, Matt? I don't know.
I think it was pretty dumb, honestly.
I agree, Matt. I too think it was pretty dumb. Dimitri the Combo Lord.
Alright. So
what is this on his chest?
Who have some mustache and beard you haven't shaved.
Is that a tattoo or birthmark?
Here's a little couple tips.
It's like a bruise.
Couple innovative ways to shave it. I'll show you the normal way first, then I'll show you my own rare Dimitri the Combo Master ways to shave your beard.
Wow.
Or mustache.
I don't know him.
So a common way to shave is you hit the shit called shaving.
I've never seen that technique of just spraying it right on your face.
Blade, but they think it's safe for some reason. And you start like scraping the shit out of the face. And you start going, and then you use it. You don't want to go too far. You're gonna cut all the skin off. But if you just go a little bit, then you got a nice little shave. And so sometimes you might just want to shoot. Shit. It's nasty.
What the hell? Is this the kid from Home Alone now?
So if you want to use a razor, that's a pretty typical way, like the average human. But I'm going to show you some more innovative.
I like how he says average
maybe
human.
You can't afford a razor, maybe you're too cool
He's certainly
for a
not.
razor. Maybe, I don't know. But let's show some alternatives. So, if you want a razor, if you want your own type of precision, you could try using scissors.
I love how he left all the shaving cream on.
Scissors, which gives you, a bit of accuracy. You could just cut with a bit of these mini scissors. I should probably look at myself in the mirror while I'm cutting with these.
Probably.
And I'll try some of the beard here. And it's not going that fast, though. Maybe I'll try some bigger scissors.
Maybe not have shaving cream on when you use a pair of scissors.
These look a little better.
Oh my god.
And these aren't going quite fast enough. Let's go for kind of some bigger ones.
Jeez. Oh my god. Ah.
And they're going pretty fast, but you know, I don't know. I think we need something better like these, like
No, shut the
head
up.
clipper type things.
This is more dumb than extreme, folks.
I'm just like, you're gonna. Oh!
They're kind of working, but.
Oh, you see it like pinched him?
Clippers.
No. I think the pruners were better than this.
Shears.
So I think the clippers don't always work perfectly for the beard.
Oh my god.
So
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
If you don't want a clipper which is like a double thing, maybe 2 blades aren't as good as 1 blade. So we just might as well use a little knife. A little knife, cut the hair off that way. But,
I don't know if I can watch any more of this.
It's like making me sick to my stomach.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for him to.
The end is the best.
Should I fast forward?
Yeah.
We're fast forwarding, folks, because this is
You'll
just.
know when you see
We're
it.
just gonna cut this out.
Getting your hair off. Just make it as good as one of
Yeah.
these layers.
My god, it smells like
Chicken.
hair.
Okay. Well, the thing is, hair doesn't burn that much without getting down to the skin.
Well, wet hair doesn't burn that much.
A little lighter fluid.
What? Zuko, wait, seriously?
Yeah.
No.
I'm starting to like this guy.
Dab it up on there.
First time ever.
No.
Wait.
There's no way this.
Yes, there is a way.
I'm shaving anyway.
Dude, Zuko, what the
This is dumb on so many different levels. It's not going up as fast as I thought it would.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Is he on drugs?
Yeah!
See, the thing is, he doesn't really have thick hair. It looks like more like pube hair. And so,
You know what that looks like.
well, yeah. I mean, everyone should.
Okay.
I think
I've seen enough.
I think the part that grossed me out the most was the pruners, not the clippers, but like what you clip a tree branch with.
Try a little more.
Because that
Shears. You mean like shrubbery?
no, just like little for
Oh, the
like
pruners.
like a rose bush, whatever. That looked like it really could have just lopped off some serious skin.
I don't even want to rest on this one that much longer. Can we just move on? That
So
was
I'm-
disturbing on a couple different levels.
I'm gonna put that in a
And
category
dumb.
where that guy looked like.
But you
he's
know what?
missing a
Likeable.
few
Very
genes.
likable.
Shut the fuck up. Are you fucking kidding me? There's no way you would do this in a real barbershop. Who the signed up for this?
It's not. There's no chain on it. There's no chain on it. There's no chain on it, folks.
There's no possible way.
There is without the chain.
But didn't he show like a hold on? Didn't he show like a demo the first that he's cutting?
yeah, but there's a slit already in the wall.
Okay, hold on. So what you're saying is we've been duped. That there was
No,
already
no. You've been duped.
Well, it was definitely worth a reaction.
It was definitely.
The future of men's grooming has arrived. Introducing the Philips Beard Trimmer 9000. The world's first beard trimmer with laser-guided precision. The dual-sided reversible trimmer allows for easy detailing,
Look.
while an innovative LED zoom wheel delivers your
Zoom
exact
wheel?
length every time. For sharp lines and perfect symmetry, choose the Philips Beard Trimmer 9000, part of the Philips Premium Grooming Range. Now
Is this a commercial or is this the video we're supposed to be watching?
First off, is that even real? I have to watch that again. Was that laser actually real? And I like how they just called it the Laser 9000. Like,
They should make one for,
Introducing the Philips
Darth
Beard Trimmer
and one for Luke.
9000. The world's first beard trimmer with laser-guided precision.
yeah, it's
okay, it's a light. I thought the laser was cutting the hair.
No.
Okay.
We don't have that technology.
I was
yet.
like, hold on, is this real? Okay.
Actually, the
the video I took out to put yours in was a laser razor.
Was the one from Kickstarter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not real.
So the laser.
They lost The
laser just gives you lines so you can get a good line.
It's like on your miter saw.
Yes.
It shows the guy.
Okay. All right. So it's a miter razor. All right.
Hello, YouTubers. Today I'm gonna shave my November mustache. It's November 25th.
Don't do it!
And,
Don't
just
do
can't
it!
Wait to shave it. It itches and stuff. I will be shaving my mustache today with
Oh my god.
my axe. This is a Transfers Brook
That
axe.
is sharp. Look at that.
Really, really high quality steel.
Well, if you're gonna do it,
Just to demonstrate.
this is actually what it takes to shave a mustache
I'll
off.
show you. This is a piece of home book paper.
Way to dull the blade.
But see, that never impresses me. Like, you can get that at like 300 grit or maybe 1,000 grit, and we already did the test where
It's
Hair is not paper. Hair is like copper wire.
of the same diameter.
We'll see.
You heard it here first.
At least he's using a badger brush, not a chainsaw or whatever. Where's falling?
If I look nervous right now, well, I am.
Yeah, you're kind of like a wide-eyed, bushy-tailed.
Hey!
He looks
He's
like
shaving with an axe.
I know. He looks like a doe in the headlights. So
Respect. Respect.
He's got pretty eyes.
I really have to let the lather soak in the mustache. Because the hair is like copper wire.
Oh!
Otherwise, it's not going to cut very well. You gotta make the hair nice and soft.
I am curious to what type of soap he's using, though.
He's eating a lot of it. Looks like
He's not eating the soap.
I've always wondered about that though.
He did just blow it out his nose, however. That did happen.
I saw someone recently on a YouTube video that had like lather up to like their temple.
he
They were like
rinsing it off
just
now?
there's lather everywhere.
Oh yeah, you see that.
He's shaping it for the camera at least. He's cognizant of how it looks. Now it looks like he's done some too much blow.
Is there such a thing?
Here it goes.
He looks like he's done this before. He's holding it in a way that he looks. And off comes his lip.
I mean, what do you say when you walk into the emergency room?
I was shaving with it.
Yeah.
I'm actually impressed. That's a feat.
No, that's his face. Didn't you want to do this one time? We've talked about this, believe it or not.
I would do it if it was a challenge on this show, but
I challenge you to shave your face with an axe, Matt.
My lip.
well, challenges go both ways. You have to do it too.
You're telling me how to challenge you?
It's a challenge for us.
No. See, you can't change the rules. You can't move the goal post.
This is not like triple dog dare you. Like I triple dog dare you to shave with an axe.
If it was, I would have said I triple dog did.
It sounds like a dare, not a challenge. All right. So he obviously looks like he's fairly successful. I don't know if we need to watch the rest of it.
Yes, it was extreme.
It's extreme.
This is extreme.
But while I give him credit for doing something extreme, it looks like he's done this before. So, you
You
know.
gotta throw it out.
Yeah.
Now we're watching what? Oh, he's gonna shave with a steak knife.
Well, good morning, everybody at
spoon.
YouTube. This is Murray Carter from CarterCutlery.com.
What a random.
You know, I could be a poster boy for cornflake commercials. I just love cornflakes. All kinds, the sweet kinds, the whole grain
No, it
kinds.
looks like
oatmeal,
Captain Crunch.
These are
granola.
nerd.
I'm awfully familiar with
These
this
are not
spoon, you know.
cornflakes.
Got a lot of time with this spoon in my hand. I'm wondering if there isn't anything else that we could use this spoon for. I've heard that Chuck Norris can shave with a chainsaw. But Murray Carter, he can shave with a spoon. Hold on tight.
I think this is a bachelor party.
Come back here, you. There we go. Well, everybody,
My mom had that same bowl.
you've seen me shave with a neck knife and a machete
What's a neck knife?
and a 21-inch sword, a proper straight razor, and even a pair of scissors. But I'm sure you've never seen me, or anybody else in the world for that matter, ever shave with a spoon.
Like, is he sharpening the spoon?
It's sharp, I'm
This is
sure.
real, guys.
Spoon!
About this, for you wise guys who are going to call in or email in or comment to this video saying that it was fake, just look at my other videos. You'll see I'm the real deal.
Oh, you look like the real deal. I wish we would have seen if you sharpened it. It's a corning bowl, I believe.
I mean, he's
Pyrex corning?
Carter cutlery. I mean,
Here
of
goes
course he
nothing,
sharpened
just
it.
for you guys on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah, he sharpened it.
That's a hell of an edge to sharpen, though. It's, you know, the
I wonder if he
concave.
flattened it out. Yeah, that's my only thought. If he flattened it out. If not, it's kind of difficult to sharpen a curved surface.
But when that's what you do for a living, I mean, this could start a whole new trend. And
Yeah,
yes, it does sound gross.
I think it's the
So far, so
concave
good.
shape, like a little speaker.
Speaker,
Let's
yeah.
hope I don't end up serving myself my nose for breakfast.
Those weren't cornflakes. I just want to put that out there. Not convinced.
I think they're Captain Crunch.
Captain, what's wrong with the berries?
Captain Crunch.
All Captain Crunches is good?
It's treasured chest and berries. Yeah, I mean,
The peanut butter. Oh, sorry.
I think I would actually would have watched the scissors or something else because it's like, okay, you can take anything metal and sharpen it. So
Like scissors.
we got another shave with an axe.
How to shave with an axe.
Got a nice little kit there.
Yeah, whenever you use an axe, flannel needs to be part of it.
Is he gonna take the beard off?
Oh yeah.
I didn't like his technique for lather building though.
Well, we didn't really get to see much of it, Matt. And we don't honestly know if he's really doing it or not, the way they're cutting this up. We saw nothing. What was that?
Yeah, well, hold on. Let's go back.
How is that instructable?
His neck? Look at his neck. Is that look like a neck that got properly shaved or happily shaved or even all the way shaved? No.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying he did. He definitely shaved with an axe, but I don't think he did a very good job.
I think whoever edited this didn't do a good job.
Well, at least it was tight.
This looks like one of our videos. Extreme shaving.
Yes, this is what I was waiting for.
Yeah. No. You just screamed. This is awesome.
This is metal.
Spider-Man. He's still screaming.
And he goes to the. He goes.
This is awesome. We need him on the show. Oh.
Shut up.
Ace of Spades, baby. What is that, a sander?
Shut up.
Lemmy would be proud. Lemmy would have taken his mole off, though. Oh, this is good. Is he rinsing? also want to know who was holding the camera. It should have been vodka. Hey, sorry you had to see that. Bye.
I know. Other than the German one that I really wanted to
This
watch.
was
That
it.
was good. That was it.
This was it.
Because it was extreme in every way.
I love this. What else we got?
I think that was it.
Oh, high five.
Hold on. No, that was it. High five.
Woo! So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Extreme Shaving, YouTube's greatest and best.
If you have a video that you think is more extreme than the last one we watched,
Because that really takes the cake.
or shows technique in an unbelievable way, or proficiency, because that's what I think I was really going for, is that they show proficiency in an amazing way.
Yeah.
Not just executing, but like you're like, wow, I'm impressed that you could do that.
Or just highly entertaining like that last one.
Yeah, the entertainment value, how quick they could do it, you know, the conditions, but yeah, put them below, comment.
Like and subscribe and possibly win this little beauty also. That's right, folks. Your very own Lather shaving mug.
With these jerks on it.
These jerks meaning the pig head.
You and the pig head.
Take care.
All right, bye.